Good morning, and then continuing into your daily operations weather brief for Wednesday, February 13th. Seeing some partly cloudy skies out there finally this morning, which is a change from what we have been seeing all week. We do anticipate to see those partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies throughout the day. We were expecting some breezier winds this morning, but the winds seem to be underperforming, so only expecting about a 50% chance of seeing that wind advisory later this afternoon. Taking a look at our surface map this morning, you can see that little last batch of showers on the beginning of the loop here have moved well offshore, and since then we've seen those clouds decrease this morning. We'll continue to see them decrease as we go through the remainder of the morning hours, becoming just a few too scattered by the time we get to the afternoon. And then we're going to see those westerly winds persist throughout the day, giving us a very mild temperature in the low 50s. Taking a look at our surface analysis, you see that front has moved offshore there, and we're going to be getting some high pressure start to build in across the southeast, which will keep our winds westerly throughout the day today. Pressure gradient should tighten a little bit more as we get towards the afternoon hours, and that'll help to give us a little bit of a breezier day. Still only looking about a 50 to 60% chance of seeing that wind advisory mainly after lunchtime. Could see it a little bit before then if it does happen. As of 8 a.m., seeing a few clouds lingering around that 1,000 foot level, and then some upper level clouds scattered at 17,000 and broken at 22,000 feet. Seeing westerly winds around 8 knots, and then a temperature of 44 degrees. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, going to be seeing a high this afternoon of 53. Those winds should max out early this afternoon at around 13 to 18 knots, with gusts of 26 knots, before weakening to 6 to 11 knots overnight, then 4 to 9 knots still from the west by mid-morning Thursday. Seeing a low tomorrow morning of 34, still a couple degrees above average for our low tomorrow morning for this time of year. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to be seeing those skies become partly cloudy to mostly sunny today as we go into the afternoon, becoming just a few to perhaps scattered at 4,000 feet, and then a scattered to broken cirrus deck at 25,000 feet, and then decreasing further around 5 p.m., only becoming a few at 4,000 and a few at 25,000, with that lower level cloud cover diminishing by midnight tonight, and then just seeing a few upper level clouds by the pre-dawn hours of Thursday, and then by Thursday 8 a.m. seeing a few mid-level clouds near 15,000 feet, and then a few to scattered cirrus decks at 20 and 25,000 feet. Tides are a little bit above normal this morning, around half foot above normal, but they should be back to normal by late this afternoon. For tomorrow, going to be looking at partly cloudy skies early, becoming mostly cloudy late, with a mainly mid to upper level cloudiness, with a very mild high of 54. Tomorrow night, looking at a mostly cloudy and mild night with a early low of 42. Then we're going to be seeing temperatures rise as we have some southwest flows really starting to develop across the region, giving us a warmer air mass. Then Friday looks to be a unseasonably warm day, looking at a high of 63. Could be a little bit breezy at times as that pressure gradient tightens as we get some winds from the southwest. So I'm looking at about a 60 to 70% chance of seeing a wind advisory for Friday. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.